Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore middle north of Bali. In this area we have three lakes, it's very beautiful, and also we have a temple standing on the lake. And you can see behind me there is a Handara Gate. A lot of tourists come to this place to make a photo for their Instagram. So if you want to know what we have in this area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will drive middle north of Bali and will explore three lakes up north. Okay, this is the first lake we call Tumbling Lake. It's like a twin lake from the top. You see it? Right and left side. There's two lakes close each other. This area we call Wanagiri is around 2 hour driving from Denpasar or from Kuta. Hello guys, today I will explore north of Bali. It's the most beautiful place with the hill and lake. You can see from behind me, it's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is two lakes on the top we call Tumbling Lake. And now we will see another lake down there in Bedugul area. And that lake we call Lake Bratan. Let's check it out together until the end of this video. Before we go to other lake, we have stopped here for a few minutes to make a photo and video because this area is beautiful for photo and footage video. This area we call Handara Gate. You see? There's the gate. So that is the gate to go to Honduras Resort and golf course. So there is the resort and golf course inside. That's we call Handara. It's very beautiful gate, isn't it? Yeah, that is me. I just like to make a footage video. Because there is no one go with me, I just use a tripod to make this video. And actually, before the pandemic corona, lots of people come to this place to make photo and video footage. Okay, now we continue driving to see another lake we call Lake Bratan. You see the left side? This is Lake Bratan. Actually, in this lake we have a temple we call Candi Kuning. There is the temple standing on the lake. But we will explore that's the temple in another video. Okay, left side. You see the left side? There is Tumbling Lake. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so this is the shortcut to go to Denpasar. It's new route in this year to make easier to going down to the Denpasar or from Denpasar to this area. You see the hill at the front. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the video for today. So thank you very much for keep stay in touch with my channel. And please, if you don't mind, subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell notification, because I will more explore another place in Bali. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.